Welcome guys, today I'm with the OPPO A17 and I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks for this device. At the first, we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and right here we can use the volume buttons to take photos. Let me show you. You can press the volume up or volume down, and as you can see and also as you can hear, we can simply take photos. When you click and hold one of this button, we will take series of the photo. If you want to take a look on these photos, just go for the gallery and then tap on this icon in this right upper corner. If you want to save any of these photos, just click like that and tap in this place. Next, we can click on the screen once to simply adjust the brightness level by moving this icon. So as you can see, you can increase and decrease the brightness level. Tap once to make it automatically. When you try to zoom in and zoom out, you can make it by using these presets. As you can see, you can zoom into the 5 times, and when you click and hold this preset, you will unlock this slider, and with the slider you can zoom in and zoom out very smooth. Next, when you tap in this place, you can enable additional filters. As you can see, they change our color and the temperature on the photos. You can find all of them right here. To turn them off, go for the first option. If you want to get more details on your photo, let me show you a small comparison. So we can take photo of this button. We can make it like that, for example. Let's catch focus on it. Let's take a photo. I'm not sure if I take it, so one more time. Okay. Then open this menu, turn on the 50 megapixel mode. Let's focus one more time. And right now, let's take a look. That was the photo taken with the 50 megapixel mode, and take a look how it looks. And that's the normal photo. As you can see right here, we can zoom in definitely closer, and we can also spot more details when you take a look, especially in this arena. So that's a quick tip about the more details on the photos. And when you open this menu for another time, you can also turn on camera delay for 3 or 10 seconds, and after this countdown, the photo will be simply taken. In this place, you can also enable the HDR, so we can turn it on, turn it off, or set it up automatically. You can decide. In this place, you can turn on the flashlight, for example, when the lighting conditions are not too good, so we can get more light on your photo. And I think that right now we can simply move for the settings, because right here we can switch, for example, the volume buttons function. So right now they are as set up as a shutter, but we can also zoom in with them. So right now when you keep tapping on the volume up or volume down, you can zoom in and zoom out. We can enable the fingerprint shotting, so take a look how it works. The fingerprint sensor is located with on the right edge, and it's synchronized with the power key. So when you click on it, basically just touch it. You don't have to click or press the button. Just touch it and the photo will be taken. We can also turn off the shutter sound, and when you go for the composition, we can enable the grid lines for the photos and the videos, and also we can enable camera leveler. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen, and this option allows us to take better composition on our photos and videos. When you go for the advanced settings, we can flip the selfies. So if you want to get the mirror effect on your selfie photos, you can turn it on. And also we can find here the quick launch gesture. So this option allows us to quickly turn on the camera by double pressing volume down or up button when the screen is turned off. As you can see, it's working very smooth. When you go for the shading methods, we can enable these two options. That's tap to capture and show palm of the hand in front of the selfie camera. So that's how tap to capture option works. As you can see, and this palm gesture looks like that. So we have to show the hand in front of the screen, and when it will be detected, there will be 2 seconds countdown and the photo will be taken. Right here we can also enable the device watermark, so you will get the name of the device, date and the time, and also right here you can tap and input your own signature. So when you take the photo, you can find on the left bottom corner this watermark. You can simply turn it on and turn it off. You can decide. When you go for the more modes, right here we can, for example, find the sticker mode, and it allows us to simply put something on the photos. So just let me turn it on, and as you can see, all of them we have to download, so we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. We can get, for example, this one. It looks catchy, and we can take photos like this, or maybe with my Pixel. Okay, and when you go for the preview, as you can see, that's how it looks. Okay, and as you can see, that's all for this video. That's all my tips and tricks for this device. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.